So this is a right thumb CMC joint replacement at 9 weeks, 3 days for osteoarthritis of the right thumb. So let's have a look at the function. So lift your thumbs up towards the ceiling for me. Perfect, down you go. Hands on the side now, palms together, and lift the thumbs up towards the ceiling. Excellent, down you go. Palms facing up now. Lift the thumbs up towards the ceiling again. Good, and then reach across to the base of the little finger, as far as you can go on both sides. And how's the feeling over the thumb, the sensation and touch over this area here?
Absolutely fine.
Good, and how are you finding the success of the implant? What were your symptoms before and what are they like now?
Painful and very restricted, absolutely incredible now. I've got no pain.
Fantastic.
And the movement is amazing.
Good, and your left side's fine, isn't it?
Yep, absolutely fine.
Good, I look forward to seeing you back in 6 months with a further x-ray.